NZDCHF was an amazing trade, and as usual guys, you know how I do it. I document my trades before and after. So let me just show you. This was before the trade played out, and you can maybe pause this video, try to zoom, and let me just help you to zoom around this area. So that was March 27, and of course when I'm recording this video today is 29th. Okay, trade was taken on 27. When was 27? That was around Wednesday, and today was 29th, of course. So I gave out this free signal to my public Telegram group right over here. Once again, you can confirm, zoom right here, NZDCHF taken on 27th. Okay, and I told them you're on risk 1%, and that's it. So let me just take you through and show you what I saw before taking this trade. Okay, as usual, I'll hit on that replay tool right over here, just like that. And let's go to the daily, and understand what I was saying, what was on my mind when I was doing this analysis. And first things first, we need to understand where the market is moving. Is it going up or moving down? We see a lower low, lower high, lower low. So probably this was a lower high, now I was anticipating that lower low. But when you try to look at this with the naked eye, you might just say that, okay, this is just a consolidating market, or the market is moving sideways. But that was not what I was saying. Like I said before, if we had a lower high right here, this is a lower low, then of course this is a lower high. So I'm anticipating that drop. So with that in mind, of course, I started looking out for, entry position. So before that, let me try to zoom, because now we need to concentrate on this level right here. This one. Okay, we need to concentrate and understand what's going around that area. So let's now bring in our order block, our demand and supply zone. So we have that level right there is our supply zone, and of course we have a level right here is our demand zone. So we need to see how we make decision whether to take price down or maybe go with the price up, whether it's going up or the market will decide. Okay, so now going down to the H4, we just need to add more confidence until we understand what this market is trying to do. Now we need to interpret this market. Okay, so right over here we see we had a first touch, or probably we just need to say this is a first touch. Of course, this touch right there, second touch, and now a third touch. Now we understand that most of the time we talk about third touch where we execute. So now we know, okay, third touch, this was now kind of an impulse. Now all this is just a correction. So when I did understood all this, and I said, okay, now we understand where price probably wants to go. So let's just call this a correction phase, okay, or a continuation pattern, something like this. So when I had all this in mind, like I said before, impulse and all this was just a correction or a continuation pattern. So I had bias that now we should be looking for sales. Let me just go back to the H1 and now interpret the market more and more and more. Okay guys, we don't want to fall in for manipulation. Okay, so right over here we saw the market gave us this push. It went down, then went up, then came down, went up. Then now I was like, okay, what is this market trying to do? Initially this was kind of manipulative. Okay, I saw that, okay, we had an impulse right here. Now this is a continuation pattern correction, so we should continue going all the way up. That is what I was saying initially. So let me just do this. Okay, the market is full of manipulation, guys. Before you get it right, probably it might punish you guys. Maybe hit your stop loss or close your trade earlier. That is after you understand that was just a manipulation. So initially, like I said before, this was a correction for me, an impulse correction. So I was anticipating that this market should continue, going all the way up, maybe breaking around this high. Okay, this is the level that I was talking about. And if it broke, then my anticipation is that we should have targeted that high. Okay, but like I say every day, we need to understand how the market is approaching its support or resistance. Okay, and I was like, okay, we need to understand what the market will be doing around here. So let's go to the to the 15 minutes, not H15. Okay, all right. Now basically this was kind of a manipulation. Look at this. Probably the market did this, but it never gave me an inverse head and shoulder. Maybe this is the head. Maybe let me just call this an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, so it was a good confirmation that okay, we should have taken a buy right here, and that is what I did. Let me just rewind. Before taking that sale position, guys, I won't lie, I was in for buys. I took a buy right there, and of course my target, like I said before, was all the way up. I won't lie, somewhere around that area. So the market started doing its thing. You just need to let the market do its thing, but always remember to manage your trade, guys. It doesn't matter, okay, I've pressed that buy entry or that sell entry position, then you let the market do its thing. Yes, we let the market do its thing, but at least try to follow along and understand what this market is doing. You might have taken a buy, but then the market start giving out reversal signs or signals that you want to go down, or rather you have taken a sell position, the market started giving out a buy property. Okay, so you need to be careful when you see such things. That is when you close out your positions immediately, guys. So I saw the market did this, went up, then did this, and I said no way, no way, no way, no way, this one is looking crazy, no way. So the moment I saw a sign that it wanted to go down, I said let me just close that position immediately before the market took me out. And I was like, okay, you were crazy. The market just giving me a continuation, a reversal pattern right here. Then I said there's no way I'm going to remain in my buy position, and that is when I changed everything and gave out a sell position. Let me just a minute before, I believe that is it. That is when I call in for sales, testing waters first to make sure that you're right. You see right here, I call in for sell position, okay, because I saw that the market wanted to reverse, and that buy signal was just a false break, or that was just a manipulation. So what was the next target? We understand there's this level right here, guys. This 90, okay, this, let's just call this 100%, or rather this should be the 100%. But if I have a support level right here, that should be 100%. But guys, you understand the price might not give you 100% touch, so that's why I keep on talking about the 90% rule. Now, okay, we have a level, something like this. We have this trend. So my anticipation was that okay, I needed the market come right here, reject, go up, push, then that is when it breaks. So let's see. Thank you. Probably it did respect that at the 15. Okay, so this is it. Let's just remove this. We don't need that. You see that kind of the market started doing this, and that is when it took out that level. And I was like, okay, let the market do its thing. As long as the market has taken out this trend, then I'm now okay. I'm satisfied that all the sell position are in place. The market just doing its thing right now. I won't care whatever happens, because you just let the market do its thing. And the market's playing. The market doesn't want to hit us to take profit, and boom, the market just hit our TP, and I believe that is the current market price, guys. So let me just show you guys that I kept on updating my gang, okay, and then I told them, mayday, we crash landing. So this is when the market was playing out. Remember, I took the entry on 27, so this was 28, I believe, yesterday. Okay, the market kept on doing its thing. Let me show you right over here. The market's doing its thing, and I told them, I won't be there to show you how to manage your winning trades. Just do your thing. And guess what? This is it. Yesterday, and then I said, she was all free. Yeah, like I said before, I gave them this free signal, and that was when 7 pips to hit her final racing place. That is the TP. And I say, congratulations to everyone, and adios, mi amigo. So this was when it was almost hitting the TP. 7 pips to TP, And yes, this is it. Just updated them, today 11:13 a.m. Of course, when I'm recording this it's 11:53. So then finally she landed safely in good way to end the week, and wait for a video breakdown how I took this trade. That is what I'm doing now, taking, giving all those breakdown. But guys, it calls for patience. Okay, you really need to be patient when taking these entries, guys. As swing traders, you hold your positions for long, so patience and patience. Okay. And guys, today is Friday, and of course we have a holiday, guys. I could have given you a signal, but let me see. Today's Friday, probably by Monday. Yeah. Okay, I'll just brush this USD CHF. Maybe I should give you a signal. Oh man, yeah, probably missed on this because I was waiting for this correction that's doing. Okay, currently we have this. Okay, somehow my mouse is running out of juice. I should charge it. My mouse is running out of juice. Okay, so I was anticipating. Come on, man, it's lagging, man. I should give it more juice. So we see this kind of continuation pattern. The problem is today is on a Friday, and we have holiday too, so the market might be kind of slow. All right. USD CHF is looking way too good for sell position. There are certain things that I should be looking out for before I make my sell entry position. But if I don't see those kind of structures and confluence, guys, I won't take those sell position. But for now, it's looking good. It's looking good for sales. So all you need to do when you're watching this video, try to add into my strategy. Try to compare, and if you see it's making sense, guys, that's when you should take your sell position. In fact, let me just say I was late. I could have taken this sell position long time ago. Let me see, somewhere around that zone. Let me just see. Let me see. Okay, man, my mouse is crazy. Probably let me just see how it's going to play out though. I won't say I should have taken that sell position now. Okay, because everything just moved, so I'll need to see new structures being formed. And if I get something good, I'm going to take that sell position. So you guys, as you watch this video, try to compare with the analysis. So don't just take sell position immediately, guys. You need to be keen. Okay, and I hope you guys learned something, guys. And maybe if you want to check out my Telegram channel, link in the description. I do give out free signals. Okay, and I also have a premium Telegram channel where I share free signal, premium signals, and also if you want to get a mentorship, lifetime mentorship also, that is for the premium members. Links in the description box too. And adios, amigos, peace.